Quarter 4, Week 1. Soil. Matatag Curriculum, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa, with me, Teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about soil. Here are the possible objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Participate in guided activities using simple equipment to compare different types of soil, including sandy, clay, silt, and loam, including comparing the ability of the soils to hold water. Number 2. Participate in a guided investigation to identify the effect of different types of soil on the growth of plants. Short review. Earth systems. Identify the different systems of the Earth, emphasizing the non-living systems of the planet. Let us now try to answer the questions. Number 1. Can you describe the picture? Good job! It is the Earth as beautiful blue and green marble with swirling clouds and vast oceans, teeming with life and wonder. Number 2. Can you identify the Earth's system for spheres? Let's have a review. This is the Earth system. First is hydrosphere. Second is geosphere. Third is atmosphere. And fourth is biosphere. Number 3. Can you describe lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere? What are their commonalities? Now listen very carefully. The lithosphere is like Earth's outer shell. It's made up of rocks and soil and includes the ground we walk on, mountains, and the ocean floor. The hydrosphere is all about water. It includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and even the water in the clouds. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds Earth. It's like a big, invisible bubble that protects us and gives us air to breathe. Their commonalities are supporting life, interacting with each other, and protecting the Earth. Let's now proceed to question number 4. Can you give at least 3 non-living things that are found in our planet? Good job! Rocks, water, and air are 3 non-living things that are essential for life on Earth. Lesson purpose. This lesson purpose is to be guided by your actual teacher. Look at the picture. Can you describe the given picture? Have you ever wondered how soil is being formed? Unlocking content area vocabulary. Can you unscramble the word? It is the loose particles that make up the surface of the earth. What is it? Great! It is the soil. Can you unscramble the word? It is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. What is it? Good job! It is the pollution. First lesson. What is soil? Importance of soil for plant growth. Explicitation. This explicitation is to be guided by your actual teacher. What is soil? Soil is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. It's made up of tiny pieces of rock, minerals, and organic matter like dead plants and animals. Composition of soil. Soil is made up of four main parts, namely, number 1, minerals. These come from broken down rocks and make up about 45% of soil. They provide nutrients for plants. Number 2, organic matter. This is made up of decomposed plants and animals and makes the soil fertile. Number 3, air. Soil has small spaces called pores that hold air. Number 4, water. These pores also hold water, which plants need to grow. Let's now proceed to the formation of soil. Soil forms over a long time through the weathering of rocks. There are three main types of weathering. Number 1 is the physical weathering. Rocks break down into smaller pieces due to temperature changes or water. Number 2, chemical weathering. Rocks change their chemical structure due to reactions with water, air, or other chemicals. Number 3, biological weathering. Plants and animals help break down rocks. For example, plant roots can grow into cracks in rocks and split them apart. What is soil absorption? Soil absorption is the process by which soil takes in water. Different types of soil absorb water differently, and this affects how well plants can grow in them. Let's now move on to the types of soil. Number 1, sandy soil. Has large particles and feels gritty. It drains water quickly but does not hold nutrients well. Number 2, clay soil. Has very small particles and feels sticky when wet. It holds water well but can be heavy and hard to work with. Number 3, silt soil. Has medium-sized particles and feels smooth. It holds water better than sandy soil but can become compacted. Number 4, peat soil. Rich in organic matter and very fertile. It holds a lot of water. Number 5, chalk soil. contains a lot of calcium carbonate and can be alkaline. It drains well but can be hard for some plants to grow in. Number 6, loamy soil, a mix of sand, silt, and clay. It's the best soil for growing plants because it holds nutrients and water well. Importance of soil. It provides a place for plants to grow. It holds water and nutrients that plants need. It helps filter and clean water. It supports many living organisms like earthworms and insects. Work example. Soil is crucial in various aspects of the Philippines, influencing agriculture, economic activities, and environmental sustainability. Examples include the sustainability of clayey soils in Central Luzon for rice farming, sandy loam soils in Mindanao for banana plantations, and volcanic ash soils in Bicol supporting coconut cultivation. Soil quality is vital for backyard vegetable gardens, rehabilitation of mine areas, urban development in Metro Manila, disaster risk reduction in the Cordillera, and construction of aquaculture ponds in regions like Visayas. These examples highlight the multifaceted importance of soil in shaping the country's livelihoods and ecosystems. Lesson activity. This lesson activity is to be guided by your actual teacher. Let us now proceed to the different types and characteristics of soil explicitation to be guided by your actual teacher. Kids, remember, plants grow best in loam soil because it contains humus. This type of soil can hold enough water and it has minerals to sustain plant growth. Water is needed for the growth of plants. Let us now go on to the different types and characteristics of soil work example. In the Philippines, various soil types play distinct roles in agriculture and land use. Examples include clay soils in Central Luzon, ideal for rice cultivation, sandy loam soils in Mindanao,
Suitable for banana plantations.
volcanic ash soils in Bicol, conducive to coconut farming, and silty soils in Cagayan Valley, favorable for crops like corn and vegetables. Other notable soil types include limestone soil in Palawan, alluvial soil in the Ilocos region, lateritic soil in eastern Visayas, pit soil in Agusan Marsh, and lapilli soil in Camiguin. Recognizing and utilizing these soil characteristics are crucial for sustainable and productive land management in various regions of the Philippines. Different types and characteristics of soil. Lesson activity to be guided by your actual teacher. Soil absorption. Explicitation. To be guided by your actual teacher. Soil absorption. Work example. Soil absorption in the Philippines is crucial for various applications, emphasizing its significance in sustainable land management. Examples include terrace farming in the Cordillera to prevent erosion, rainwater harvesting in Palawan to replenish groundwater, flooded rice paddy fields in Central Luzon supporting rice cultivation, and urban green spaces in Metro Manila aiding in flood control. Mangrove ecosystem in Bicol contribute to soil stabilization, while soil amendments in Mindanao plantations optimize water retention. Wastewater treatment in Cebu employs soil absorption for purification, and disaster resilience efforts in Leyte integrate soil absorption principles to minimize the impact of heavy rainfall. These examples showcase the diverse roles of soil absorption in shaping agriculture, water resource management, and disaster preparedness in the Philippine setting. Soil absorption. Lesson activity. To be guided by your actual teacher. Learners' takeaways. To be guided by your actual teacher. Reflection on learning. This reflection on learning is to be guided by your actual teacher. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer in the space provided before each number. Number 1. Which of the following is not a characteristic of soil? Letter A. Texture. Letter B. Color. Letter C. Weight. Letter D. Ability to hold water. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter C. Weight. Number 2. Mang Tino plans to use soil in his garden that has humus. What kind of soil should he use? Letter A. Clay. Letter B. Loam. Letter C. Sand. Or letter D. Silt. What is the correct answer? Great! The correct answer is letter B, loam. Number 3. Which type of soil can hold a lot of water? Letter A, clay. Letter B, loam. Letter C, sand. Or letter D, silt. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter A, clay. Number 4. Which of the following statements is not true? Letter A. The color of the soil is due to the kinds of materials present in it. Letter B. Black soil is rich in organic matter such as decaying plants and animals. Letter C. Black soil is a very fertile soil. Letter D. Red or brown soil contains iron and is as fertile as black soil. What is the correct answer? Very good! The correct answer is letter D. Red or brown soil contains iron and is as fertile as black soil. Number 5. Soil is also used as construction materials. Which soil is best used as construction materials? Letter A. Loam and gravel. Letter B. Sand and loam. Letter C. Silt and gravel. Letter D. Sand and gravel. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter D. Sand and gravel. Number 6. Which type of soil is used for making pots? Letter A. Clay. Letter B. Loam. Letter C. Sand. Or letter D. Silt. What is the correct answer? Very good! The correct answer is letter A, clay. Number 7. Which of these materials is biodegradable? Letter A, rubber. Letter B, metals. Letter C, tissue. Or letter D, none of the above. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter C, tissue. Number 8. Which of the following is considered a pollutant? A. Waste from mines and factories. Letter B. Insecticides. Letter C. Fertilizers. Or letter D. All of the above. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter D, all of the above. Number 9. Which of the following practices does not show soil conservation? Letter A. Observe proper waste disposal. Letter B. Use too much fertilizer and pesticide. Letter C. Use organic fertilizers made from biodegradable materials. Letter D. Protect the topmost layer of the soil by not digging unnecessarily. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B. Use too much fertilizer and pesticide. Number 10. Soil is essential to letter A. Plants. Letter B. Animals. Letter C. Humans. Letter D. All of the above. What is the correct answer? Great! The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Let's answer the another part of evaluating learning. Direction. Answer the question below. Soil pollution is a condition where soil contains materials that make the soil unfit for soil. As a grade 4 pupil, how will you help prevent soil pollution? Amazing! As a grade 4 pupil, I can help prevent soil pollution by reducing, reusing, and recycling waste, properly disposing of trash, using eco-friendly products, planting trees and plants, educating others about soil pollution, and participating in community clean-up activities. These small actions can make a big difference in keeping our soil healthy and clean. Well done, kids! Homework. This is optional. Journal writing. Plants grow well when planted on rich soil. What would be the equivalent of rich soil in a person's growth and development? Write your reflection below. What have we learned today? Today, we learn about what is soil? Soil is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. It's made up of tiny pieces of rock, minerals, and organic matter like dead plants and animals. We also learn about the composition of soil. Number 1, minerals. These come from broken down rocks and make up about 45% of soil. They provide nutrients for plants. Number 2, organic matter. This is made up of decomposed plants and animals and makes the soil fertile. Number 3, air. Soil has small spaces called pores that hold air. Number 4, water. These pores also hold water, which plants need to grow. We also discussed the formation of soil. Number 1, physical weathering. Number 2, chemical weathering. Number 3, biological weathering. We also answered the question, what is soil absorption? Soil absorption is the process by which soil takes in water. Different types of soil absorb water differently, and this affects how well plants can grow in them. We also discussed about the types of soil. Number 1, sandy soil. Number 2, clay soil. Number 3, silt soil. Number 4, peat soil. Number 5, chalk soil. Number 6, loamy soil. We also appreciate the importance of soil.
It provides a place for plants to grow.
It holds water and nutrients that plants need. It helps filter and clean water. It supports many living organisms like earthworms and insects. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.